Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so this video is a quick one. I'm actually filming it here on Arit's phone because I just found out about it and I wanted to let you guys know right away so I don't have my filming gear with me. So this is like an e-commerce, Craigslist eBay opportunity, and I just want to let you guys know that Spotify Canada is giving away Google Home Mini speakers to Spotify users who have a premium account or if you sign up to get a premium account. Now I actually have Spotify Premium and it's about $9.99 Canadian a month, and I actually just signed up for this and I requested my Google Home Mini, and I'll have invoice and the thing pop up on the screen here. But basically this Google Home Mini is worth about $80 and they're giving it away for free if you sign up for Spotify Canada Premium subscription. I did it for myself and Arit also did it for her Spotify account, so we're going to be getting 2 Google Home Minis. Now, you could keep the Google Home Mini speakers, or you could list them on Craigslist, eBay, or Facebook Marketplace. And if you don't have a Spotify Premium account, you could essentially sign up for Spotify Premium, pay the $9.99, get your Google Home Mini, and then cancel after that, and you'll get a free Google Home Mini basically for $9.99. The Google Home Mini retails for $79.99 plus tax, so it's around the $84, $85 range. So you could get a decent profit, or you could even, I mean, if you want to keep it, you totally can keep it, or give it away as a gift, whatever. I just wanted to share this opportunity with you guys and make sure that it actually works, because I signed up and I did it myself for both of our accounts. And you guys can see on the screen here that it does actually work, and mine will be arriving in May. And when it does, I will be creating another video showing you guys that I will be listing it and selling it for a good profit. So I believe that the end date for this is May 9th, but I have a feeling that they're going to end it sooner because people are going crazy for this. And the first time that I signed in to actually redeem the Google Home Mini, they were out of stock, and so I waited the next day and then I signed in again. I kept signing in, and then finally I saw that the charcoal edition was available and I was able to secure mine and Arit's. So because there's a high demand and people are going crazy for it right now, I have a feeling that they're not going to last until May 9th. So I will put the link in the description below. If you already have a Spotify Premium account, then you for sure should do this because it's just free. And if you don't, you can basically get a Google Home Mini for $10. So just wanted to share this quick e-commerce opportunity with you guys. Take advantage if you can, if you are interested, and potentially list it on Craigslist or eBay. If you guys don't know how to sell on Craigslist or anything like that, I do have a free course down in the description below. You guys can get access to that, 2 months free access down in the description below. You guys can check that out. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys can take advantage of this opportunity while it still lasts. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.